In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Insite form in Klaviyo. Insite forms are a helpful way to capture signups directly from your website, and Klaviyo makes the setup process fairly straightforward. Today, you will go step by step from logging into Klaviyo all the way to publishing your form and copying the embed code. First, log into Klaviyo. Make sure you are using the correct account that has access to your email marketing and website signup settings. This is the starting point, because everything you do with the form builder happens inside your Klaviyo dashboard. Next, click Website. This section is where Klaviyo organizes tools related to collecting information from your site, including forms. If you do not see it right away, look for the navigation menu on the left side or the main dashboard options and select Website when it appears. After that, click Sign Up Forms. This is the area dedicated specifically to forms that collect leads, such as email signups. Clicking this will bring you to a page where you can manage existing forms as well as create new ones. Now click Create Form. At this stage, you are telling Klaviyo that you want to build a new sign-up form from scratch. Creating a new form ensures you can choose the exact sign-up offer, layout, and design that matches your campaign and brand. Once the form creation options appear, select Embed. Since the goal is to place the form on your website, the Embed option is the right choice because it provides embed code or website placement instructions. This helps you integrate the form without building it manually. Next, you will choose Offer a Coupon or Don't Offer a Coupon for signing up. Select whichever option matches your sign-up strategy. If you want new subscribers to receive a coupon, choose the coupon option, and then you can format that offer within the form. If you prefer sign-ups without an incentive, choose the option that does not offer a coupon. Your selection will shape the text and offer shown to visitors. After choosing the sign-up offer, select a layout. The layout determines how the form looks and how the fields and call to action are arranged. Take a moment to pick a layout that fits your website design, because this impacts both the user experience and how clearly visitors understand what to do next. Then click Edit Form. This opens the editor where you can modify the form fields and appearance. Editing is the key step that turns a template into your final sign-up form, so you will want to pay attention to what is shown and what is required from the visitor. Now customize the form fields and design. In the form editor, review each field you plan to collect, such as an email address, and make sure it matches what you need for your marketing. Also adjust the visual design, including styling and formatting, so the form looks consistent with your brand and is easy to read on your site. After you are satisfied with everything, click Publish. Publishing is what makes your changes go live. Before you publish, it is a good idea to review the text, spacing, and any required fields, so the form functions exactly how you expect. Finally, copy the embed code or place the form on your website if prompted. Depending on your setup, Klaviyo may provide a block of embed code, or it may guide you through placing the form using your website platform tools. Copying the embed code is the most direct option because you can paste it into the appropriate section of your website. If you are prompted to place it, follow the on-screen instructions to embed the form where visitors will see it. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.